Okay, good morning everyone. We are discussing about sex-linked inheritance and X-linked inheritance. That means in X chromosome, sex chromosome, what is the meaning of X-linked, sex-linked inheritance? Sex-linked inheritance means what? Whatever genes are present, genes are located on non-homologous regions of X and Y chromosomes in on sex chromosomes, which genes are located at the region of non-homologous region of what sex chromosomes. For example, okay, sex chromosome generally we know. Okay, I'm drawing in small in size. This is what X chromosome. Generally, this is the Y chromosome. In X and Y chromosome, okay, these are the regions we can call homologous regions, which are same type of genetic material is homologous regions, and these all we can call non-homologous regions. Is that visible? Yes, non-homologous regions. Non-homologous regions. And what happens in non-homologous region? Actually, this is the non-homologous region. Which genes are located in non-homologous region of X chromosome, non-homologous region of Y chromosome? For example, which genes are located in non-homologous region of X chromosome? That is, we can call X-linked genes. X-linked genes, which are called X-linked genes, which are located at non-homologous region of non-homologous non-homologous region of X chromosome. X chromosome. That is, we can call especially for X-linked genes. In X-linked genes and Y-linked genes, which are located on non-homologous part of Y chromosome, that is Y-linked genes. But X-linked genes, in that sometimes what the recessive traits, recessive, already you know what is the recessive. Recessive traits are what? Recessive traits are phenotypic. Phenotypic means what? Exhibits. Phenotypic exhibits in generations. These recessive trait of cause of what? Some defects of human beings. Some defects of human beings. Recessive traits. So X-linked recessive traits is there. Y-linked recessive traits also is there. Okay, X-linked recessive traits, X-linked genes are X-linked, okay, X-linked genes. What are the X-linked genes? For example, recessive traits. For example, X-linked traits are cause of some diseases like what? Hemophilia, color blindness, myopia, muscular dystrophy. Okay, these are cause of what? Hemophilia, and color blindness, color blindness, and myopia, and muscular dystrophy, What are these? These are what? Especially for, okay, the mutation, the cause of what? The recessive traits, X-linked recessive traits. X-linked genes. Only you have to remember whatever genes are located non-homologous part of X chromosome, only they inheritance only body characters from parents to offspring. There are not cause of sex determination. What? Sex-linked genes. Sex-linked genes are located in which region? Non-homologous region. There are a cause of what? Body characters, which are sometimes whatever genes, recessive genes are located in an X chromosome, in non-homologous region of X chromosome, there are cause of what? Sex-linked traits, recessive traits, defects of characters, what defects of cause of some diseases like what? Hemophilia, color blindness, myopia, and also muscular dystrophy. For example, yesterday we discussed about what, especially for color blindness. Okay, we had to discuss first of all color blindness. So, color blindness. Generally, what is the meaning of color blindness? Means what? Who are suffer with color blindness? They cannot determine, they cannot distinguish, cannot. So that I write here. Cannot distinguish. They cannot distinguish between what, which color? Red and green color. Red and green color. They cannot identify red and green color. Who are what infected with what? Color blindness. Okay, the red and green color visible like a gray color for them. Why? Okay, who are suffered with color blindness? In color blindness, especially cause of X-linked genes, recessive traits of X-linked genes. Okay, we'll discuss that. But color, who are suffered with color blindness, they cannot identify, they cannot determine, they cannot distinguish between red and green color. These red and green color visible like gray color for them who are suffered with what, especially for what, color blindness. Okay, generally the color blindness, what, especially for this color blindness, especially these recessive trait of X-linked genes. These recessive traits of what, X-linked genes. These are these X-linked genes of what, recessive genes, recessive. These recessive. It is not dominant. It is not recessive. So these recessive genes are sometimes exhibited in their family. Okay, there are cause of what? There are prevent the proper formation of. They prevent proper formation of sensitive cells, formation of color sensitive cells, color sensitive cells. So, okay, nothing but we can call rod cells. So, for example, in any generation, maybe crisscross, okay, crisscross inheritance we'll discuss. In any generation, that means these what the characteristic trait of recessive trait, or that is what recessive trait is exhibited in any generation in them. Okay, color blind because of color blindness. Okay, they cannot identify red and green color. It is visible like a what, gray color. Why it is visible like a gray color? Why they cannot identify red and green color? Means what, in their eye, which cells are not forming proper way. Prevent the formation of this recessive gene is prevent the formation of color sensitive cell in our eye. Prevent the formation of color sensitive cells in our eye. Nothing but we can call rod cells. So, X-linked genes. What is the meaning of X-linked gene? Which genes are located in an non-homologous region of X chromosomes? In non-homologous of X chromosome, already I am told they are closely arranged. They are what, inherited together only. They are not what, crossing over with Y chromosome. So there is no variations are not possible. If in X chromosome any recessive trait is there, that is inheritance. Try to understand. Okay, it is not crossing over with what, Y chromosome. So it is the cause of what, defects in human beings. For example, okay, who are suffered with color blindness? Color blindness, what, generally, okay, we have to write here. Okay, we have to discuss about what we are discussing about color blindness. Color blindness. Generally, a normal, okay, here we have to write what, male, okay, normal person, and who are suffered with what, color blindness. Color blindness. Color blindness. Okay, we will observe, okay, how the genes are located, genotyping in them. So, if we observe in male and female, first we have to observe in male. In male, generally male chromosomes are what? Okay, male chromosomes are X and Y. X and Y. Okay, these are what, male chromosomes. And capital C is what? Capital C, it is indicates, it represents that what? This is the normal, that is a characteristic of what? Characteristics of color blind. No. Color. C means what? Color. So I am kept here middle C. XY is the, you know very well about that one. That is the chromosomes which are present in XY chromosome. In that chromosome, in that gene, normal person having X, capital C, Y. Capital C represents what? Capital C represents what? That is a normal vision. Normal vision means what? They don't have what? Color blindness. So that is XCY. Who are suffered with color blindness, in them X chromosome. X chromosome, in that what type of genes is there? Small c. Try to understand. So small c. Why I wrote small c, Mansi? Yes, it is a defected gene. It is a recessive gene. Who are what? Who are having color blindness? Male, color blindness male, in the genotypes are what? XC. It is attached with X chromosome only. XC, small c, and Y, capital Y. So try to understand here. Okay, capital Y. So, okay, this is the genotypic of what? You are the color normal person and color blindness person. Okay, try to observe. Their genes are like this only. So, what about in female? In female, in normal female, generally X means what? That is the cause of what? XX only. XC and X capital C, capital C only. This is normal movement. Normal movement. Okay. So C is what? Color. Cause of color. Okay. This gene is cause of color. So capital C is the dominant character. This is in normal women. But who are suffered with color blindness women, in them genes X, okay, X capital C, yes, X capital C and X small c. Try to understand here. X small c. What is that one? That is what especially for and who are color blindness, what having what? Color blindness women. In color blindness woman, she is a carrier also. So she can call what? Carrier. Okay, one capital C, one small c. So okay, why one capital C, one small c means what? She is what? She is infected. What? She is a carrier. Carrier means what? She transporting. She is carrying. What she is carrying? She is carrying what? Especially for recessive trait. And what is the recessive trait? Defective trait. Defect trait. The defect trait is what? Small c. Small c. She is carrier. She is the carrier. Okay. So okay, especially for color blindness woman. Okay, female. X capital C and X small c. Small c is what? She is the carrier. She is carrying what? The trait. Okay, how it is inheritance we have to discuss. For example, color blindness male for parents. We have to write here parents. Color blindness parents. Color blindness male. Okay, and normal woman. Normal woman. Normal woman. So we will use this much of space only. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, we will write here. Okay, parents are okay. Color blindness male and okay, normal woman. Both are married. Okay. For example, color blindness male, in that chromosomes are capital X, small c, and capital Y. And normal woman is what? Capital X, capital C, capital X, capital C. So, in them, these are what? Parents. Okay? Color blindness male, married or whatever is there, married, normal woman. In their what? genotypic what? X plus in color blindness X small c Y. Okay, small c is that is the recessive trait. X recessive trait. X linked gene. This X linked gene is a cause of what? Color blindness. Okay, in normal women, X capital C, X capital C. So in that garment formation, how garment means pumps and ovum. Okay, garment formation is what? For example, XC. Why? Because this is the X linked gene only. Small c is the X linked gene only. So I am writing what? X small c. And here capital Y. So gametes are what type of gametes? XC and capital Y gametes. So next here X capital C, X capital C. So gamete. These are what? Gametes. Both parents are color blindness parent, normal women. These type of genotypic. In that, okay, especially gamete formation, what happened? XC, X small c and Y. X capital C, X capital C. Why? Because this is a normal woman. This is what gametes. Whatever we got, this is the gametes. In F1 generation, what happens in F1 generation? So, okay, for example, we have to observe this gamete. Okay, this gamete react with this. Okay, for example, capital X and capital C. First, why I am writing capital C? Capital C is the dominant character. So I am writing capital C, XC. And next one, capital X, small c. So in this zygote formation, XX formed. XX means what? Female. Female. She is which type of female? Carrier. Why? Because she is a carrier. In them, it is a dog. She is normal only. Normal only. She don't have any. Okay, it is not phenotypic. Phenotypic means what? She born with normal only. Why? Because here the dominant character is what? Color sensitive. C, capital C. But in them, genotypic. Under one more character is there. That is the character is what? Recessive character also is there. That is small c. So she is a carrier. This trait, this recessive trait, transfer from father to daughter. Remember that point. Father to daughter. Okay, here what happens? This and that. Okay, X capital C and Y. X capital C and capital Y. That is what? Male. Normal male. Okay, Manasi, understood? Okay, this is normal male. Now what happened? She is a carrier. Who is carrier? This woman is a carrier. Why? Because the carrier, she brought one recessive gene from her father. So she is carrier. So now what happens here? I will write here. Okay, here now this word carrier female. Carrier female. The carrier female is what? Gametes what? Carrier female XC, capital C, X small c. And carrier woman. So right here, carrier woman. This is what F1 generation. Whatever we got, F1 generation. In F2 generation, this carrier this carrier woman, she married a normal person, normal male. So right here, normal male. Here, what happened here? Whatever we got in F1 generation, all are in normal only. Sir, when recessive trait, that is a recessive only. It is not dominant. In that female exhibit what? She is normal only. But she is a carrier. She is carrying. What she is carrying? Recessive trait. She married a normal male. Example. She married one normal male. Now what happened? Okay, now gamete formation we have to see. XC, this is XN capital C and XN small c. And here the gametes, how the gametes are formed? XC, capital C and Y only alone. Y. Now what happened? This XC react with this XC and XC. Capital XC, capital XC. That means this is the XX means what? Female. Okay? She is which type of female? Normal female. Why she is normal female? That means the garment formation only dominant garments are combined in zygote. So that X capital C, X capital C. In next what happened here? This is what recessive trait is there. One garment is with recessive trait. These are what? Garments. Okay, clear, Mansi? Okay, this is what? Recessive trait. This recessive trait is interact with capital Y, XC, small c, capital Y. XC, small capital Y. It is the cause of what? Color blindness. XY means what? That is a male. Color blindness. Color blindness what? Male. Color blindness male. So here what happened here? One person is what born with what? Color blindness. It is not exhibit in X1 generation. It exhibits in F2 generation. F2 generation, this character transfer from what? Here, father to daughter. Okay, na? Father, so I will write here. Father to daughter. Daughter to grandson. Whose grandson? Not dad, daughter's son. Okay, grandson. Grandson is what? Not daughter's son. Okay, the father's grandson. Which are transferred? It is exhibits in this is F1 generation. F1 generation not exhibits anything. In F2 generation it exhibits. Okay, Namansi? Clear? In F2 generation it exhibits. It is called criss-cross inheritance. What we call? Okay, I will write here. Criss-cross inheritance. So, okay, criss-cross inheritance, whatever the recessive trait of X-linked gene, that is recessive trait, defect trait, that is exhibits, it is transferred from father to daughter to it is inheritance to grandson. So, it is transferred, indirectly transferred to father to what? Especially for his grandson. So, that is we can call criss-cross inheritance. One example is what? Criss-cross inheritance example is what? Color blindness. Not only color blindness, one more other example is there. We have to take that example. That example is what? Hemophilia. Okay. Next one what? Hemophilia. The inheritance of character from father to his grandson through his daughter. Okay. The daughter is what? Carrier. Here the daughter is carrier. Daughter that is she born with normal only. Okay, but recessive trait is there in daughter. Okay, so it is exhibiting grandson only. That is we can call criss-cross inheritance. Now we will take one more example. That is what? Hemophilia. She is not defected. Why she is not defected? Here in her, okay, in F1 generation, what will be happen? X and capital C is there. Capital C is the dominant character. She born with dominant character, but in that phenotypic and genotypic, she born with what? Normal vision. But in her, especially for in her genotypic, one more recessive trait is there. That recessive trait is exhibits in her son. Okay, try to understand. Okay, that is we can call criss-cross inheritance. Now, hemophilia. One more disease. Hemophilia is also nothing but bleeder's disease. What we call bleeder's disease. What is the meaning of what bleeder's disease? Especially for who are infected with bleeder disease, especially in them, what happened if they met any injury? If they met any injuries, the blood is flowing. It is not clotting within short time. It takes lot of time to clot. Okay, especially who are suffered with hemophilia, okay, prevents blood clot or slowly clotting. Slowly means what? It takes lot of time to clot. Slowly clot. Okay, who are suffered with what? Hemophilia. What happened in hemophilia? In hemophilia, what happened? So, okay, especially I'm told so many times what, don't marry who are closely relatives. Why? Because this recessive trait from father to grandson it is transferred. Try to understand. So that what happened if we closely married, closely means what, if relatives, closely relatives, if we married, what will be happen? What this recessive trait is transferred. X-linked gene is transferred from one generation to next generation. It cause of what? Some diseases. Like what? Color blindness, hemophilia. So hemophilia, what is the meaning of hemophilia? Hemophilia means what? If we injured anything, we made some accident, whatever happened, if we made some accident, lot of blood is flowing. Generally, blood is a blood clot, blood coagulate within 3 to 5 minutes. But in sometimes, based on the injury, it will be clot. But sometimes, what, blood is flowing without clotting. It is a cause of death. It is a cause of what? Death. What happened in them? In them, okay, yeah, prevent, especially for this recessive X-linked trait. This is X-linked trait, X-linked gene. It prevents what? It prevents. It prevent the formation of. It prevent the formation of clotting factors. Clotting factors, eighth or ninth. So here what happened here? What suffered with hemophilia? In the eighth factor is what? Deficiency of eighth factor and ninth factor. And these are what? Clotting factors of blood clotting factors. These factors are not forming in proper way. Why? Because the cause of X-linked gene, cause of X-linked defect gene. So here, okay, in normal, for example, if you observe which genes are caused, for example, in normal, generally, if you observe in normal clotting gene is showing what? How it is showing X-linked gene only. X-linked gene means it is having a non-homologous region of what? X chromosome, a capital H. That is in normal person. This is a capital H, is a dominant character. Dominant character means this capital H nothing but hemophilia. They don't have hemophilia. That is a for them what proper formation of eighth and ninth factor who are normal person. But who are suffered with what? Hemophilia. Gene for hemophilia. Gene for hemophilia. For them, what happens here? For them, the genes are capital X. Capital X is common. Capital X and small h. Small h means what? This is what? Recessive trait. Recessive trait. Okay? Clear, Mansi? Yes, recessive trait. So here, especially for if you observe, okay, in that gene for hemophilia with X and small h is the cause of what, especially for hemophilia. We will take one example. For example, male, and we have to take one example. Okay, normal male. Okay, we have to in male. Oh, sorry, 1 minute, just a minute. Okay, what type of genes are present in board in male? In male, okay, in a normal, so right here, normal person and also defected person. Defected means what? Hemophilia. Hemophilia person. Hemophilia male. In male, normally what will be happen? How they look like? X capital H, Y capital Y. XY is the cause of what? Male organism. So in normal male, how the genes are located? X capital H Y. In hemophilia, X small h and capital Y. Okay, this is who are suffered hemophilia, the male. In female, if you observe in female how these are visible? In female who are female, normal female, X capital H, same X capital H. Whatever we discuss the same thing here also. And who are suffered with hemophilia for them? X small h, X small h. Okay, clear? Okay. Yes, this is what defected person. That is what defected. In that, what trait is what defected trait is there? Defected what recessive trait is there? For example, parents. We have to take one parents. Now, parents. How the parents were? Okay, in parents, hemophilic male, hemophilic male, married what? Normal woman, normal female or whatever is that, normal female. Okay, hemophilic male. Okay, how the genes are hemophilic male? X small h and capital Y. Okay, na? Okay. And normal woman X H capital H and X capital H. Okay, na? Normal woman. This is what normal. This is what defected. Okay. So now both are married. Who are married? Okay, infected hemophilia. Who are suffered with hemophilia, male and normal woman both are married. Here the in parent generation. In gamete formation. So these are what gamete formation. In gamete formation, X capital X small h and Y. Y don't have any recessive trait. Okay, so Y. Here what? XH, capital H and capital H. Okay, clear? Okay, clear? These are what? Gametes. Okay, male gamete and female gamete. Okay, now what happened? This male gamete maybe react with what this. What happened here? XH. Capital H I am writing here. Why I am writing capital H? Capital H is a dominant character. So in this F1 generation, capital H is exhibits. And next one, capital H, small x and small h. One more recessive character is there, small h. She is who is she? XS. XS means what? Female. Which female? Normal female. Normal female. Why Manasi normal female? Yes, capital H. Okay, so normal. But she is a carrier. She is what? Carrier. She is carrying the recessive trait. So she is a carrier. So what happened here? Okay, X, H, Y. This is what? Normal male. Normal male. For example, in F2 generation, for example, who is carrying woman? The carrying woman is what? X H and X small h. She is what? Carrier woman or female. She married what? Normal person. Okay, X H Y. Now what happened? Now gamete formation. We have to see the gamete formation. X H and X small h. And here what happened? X H and Y only. So what happened? Same thing. Whatever we discussed here, here is also same thing is happened. Here this X H plus X H capital H. It is what? Normal female. Normal female. For example, which is the recessive trait gamete? X capital X small h recessive gamete combined with what? Capital Y. It is the forms of X small h and capital Y. That is the cause of what? Male. Which male? Color blindness male. Color blindness. Sorry. Hemophilia. Okay, okay. Hemophilia male. hemophilia male. So, okay, this person is also what? Here grandson. It is to transfer the character from father to daughter. Daughter is a normal birth only in F1 generation, but she is carrying what? Recessive trait to grandson. So, this is called crisscross inheritance. What we call crisscross inheritance. What we call crisscross inheritance. So she's carrying what? She has a carrier, but what the recessive trait, X-linked gene, whatever the X-linked gene is, what transferred from okay father to daughter, daughter to grandson, his grandson. So this is we can call crisscross inheritance. Clear everyone? Okay, what we discussed crisscross inheritance. Examples of hemophilia and what color blindness. These two are the examples of what? Okay, crisscross inheritance.